got grass on your tongue again?
Look.
Do this.
Okay, ready?
Pick it off and he goes
Ready,
all.
set, go. Ready, set.
Daddy!
Come on. Oh, I got you. Where'd you go?
See it, Scotty. Ready? Set. Here. Get it, Coop.
Go,
Run.
Cooper, run.
Run, Daddy.
That doesn't work. I don't know what will.
Touchdown. Touchdown. Hey, Daddy.
Good throw.
Emily, I like Emily in her high heel boots playing football.
Good try. Yeah. Whoa, wipe out.
She took her skirt off.
Because I got wet.
Well, Kim, did you get it wet?
Good catch.
Lauren, fix my...
What? You can't take it off.
Throw her
It's too cold
down.
outside to take it off. Put it back on your head.
Dad.
He wants
There
his
you go.
jersey showing.
Right.
Taking a break.
Yeah.
There's no breaks in football.
No break.
Go get the football, Cooper.
Go get it.
On the way. Cooper.
Run, run, run.
His eyes.
Aw.
Oh, we kicked it.
Tucker.
He runs fast.
Go, 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 touchdown!
Woohoo!
A touchdown.
Woo!
Cooper, now. Hike it through your legs.
A touchdown.
Hike it through your legs.
Oh, got distracted. Yeah.
The lights. They are, aren't they? I'm gonna tackle you. Oh, I got you.
Daddy.
Oh, I got you. I got you. I
Daddy.
got you.
Wait, turn like this.
Emily, those are nice boots you're playing football in. Whoa!
Cameron, let me see that.
See if I can get past him. He's trying to come get me.
Cameron, let me see it.
He tackled me. He got the ball.
Coop,
Get the
hand it
ball.
off to me. Hand it off to me. Or throw it. Oh, good job.
Lateral.
Ready? Ready? Ready?
Go get him. Go get her.
Go get her, Cooper. Go get her. Go tackle her. Oh! Get her, get her, get her.
She
Uh-oh.
has the ball now.
That's it, Lauren. Run him out. Run him out.
Someone! No, don't have it! Behind you!
Now let her.
I think she's tackling you.
Behind you! Uncle Dave, throw it behind you!
Pull my finger.
Don't do it. Oh. Don't do it. Hello.
Now run with it. Now try to run. Go. Ready? One.
Oh, Lauren, that's just wrong.
3. Run.
Cooper!
Go. Run the ball.
Daddy, look on the truck! Cooper, go on!
What for?
So I can get in.
Why else would you?
So I can get in.